Hi everyone, John here. I just wanted to talk about how to return items on Amazon. So a lot of people don't know how to return items, and especially items where you're within the return period, but they still want to charge you to come back. So anyway, I bought these bias lights, which are good lights. There's nothing wrong with them other than they didn't meet my need. I got these lights, and I was going to put them under the cabinet, but they're just not bright enough. They work, but they're not bright enough, so they don't meet my needs here. I thought they would be bright enough, so they're not exactly defective, but they definitely aren't. I shouldn't be charged to return them, even though they didn't meet my needs. So we're gonna go into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Amazon app, and I'm already logged in, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're already logged in, you don't have to put in your password. You want to hit this menu on the top left, and you want to go to your orders. And once you go to your orders, you're going to go to the item that got delivered to you. So this is the first item that got delivered, and you're going to see a menu that says return or replace items. Okay, so that's really good. So go ahead and click that, and you're going to have a list of how many items there were. In this case, I'm going to return both of them, and I've got options. No longer needed. So that isn't my thing. It isn't that it's no longer needed because I didn't order too many. I just, it didn't work as expected. So I could put inaccurate website descriptive, item defective or does not work. And you've got a bunch of different items here. In my case, I'm going to put the items defective or doesn't work as expected. I could also put the other item, which is that inaccurate website description, but I'm not going to do that. It just doesn't work for what I need it to do. And now I'm going to click next, and now it's going to ask me which way do I want to return this. Do I want to refund it to my Amazon account balance? Well, I don't want to do that. I want to refund it to my credit card, so I'm going to click that one. So you can change this option right here. So you want to make sure that you don't default to your Amazon account balance, because if you do that, you're going to it might not be the way you want it returned to you. So I want it to go to my credit card. And I'm just moving forward here. And once you do that, it gives you an option. It wants you to drop it off at the store. Remember, this is the easiest way for Amazon to get the package from you, is for you to drop it off to the UPS store. There's no charge to do it that way. You could do UPS drop off. So I can do it at the store. I can do it UPS drop off. I bring it to a UPS store, or I can have UPS pickup. So I want UPS pickup because I want them to bring it to pick it up for me. That's easiest for me. So that's the way I'm going to do it. And it shows my refund summary. And now I'm going to confirm my return. So I chose UPS pickup, and I'm going to confirm my return. Okay, I'm blocking my my email and my address, but this is what you need to know. Once you go to the next screen, you're going to see that you can see that UPS is going to just pick up the package, and they're going to pick it up at your location. So in this case, it's going to be my house. So they're going to pick it up at my house. I don't need to put a label on there. They're going to pick it up. I usually just put a Post-it note that says UPS pickup for the package, and that's it. So they're going to bring the label. It's not going to be a problem. And that's all you have to do. So you just scroll down to the bottom and you're done. You can just continue shopping and go back to what your page was. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, just feel free to go ahead and leave a comment below, like and subscribe if this video was helpful. I appreciate it. Take care. Thanks.